Good morning, it's JC Business Machines. We're going to do a little video demonstration of our most recent reconstruction or recondition or rework or whatever you want to call when we bring a typewriter back to life. Latest is this nice Underwood. And it works about as good as it did 80 years ago. Nice. So, she's a pretty machine. We had to do a few things to this. It actually needed some repair. So we had to rework the feed rollers, nothing unusual. Okay, took the bail guides off and reconstructed those. The variable platen assembly over here was not functioning at all. We rebuilt that assembly. Ribbon lift was not right, and now it is. Spacebar is actually cracked in half. It's hard to see. There's a crack right here. We took it off, glued it, reinforced it. It's already on a metal bracket down here, but we just wanted to make sure it stayed. That crack didn't open up at all, so you can see it if you look real close, but it's okay. Okay, letter Z. The key top was broken from its shaft right here. Fixed that. Needed it needs all 4 feet really, but the front 2 weren't too bad. The back 2 were completely shot. We replaced both those. Chemical clean. Polished the case. As you can tell, this is a beauty. Get this carriage out of the way so it'll spin. She really came out nice. All there is on this is fingerprints now. Most of them mine. We made these screw-on tops right here. I also have some, when I was making them, I also made some chrome ones here. But they just don't look, they don't quite look as nice as these black ones. They look too chrome. See that? Doesn't quite look right for this machine. So we're gonna give the it's actually a customer's machine. We're gonna give them the option: 2 chrome ones or these matching black. They're not that critical, but it looks good. This machine, we polished it, waxed it, redid the paint here on the ribbon. Touched up a little bit of paint here, but not much. Just a beautiful example of an 80-year-old L.C. Smith that has survived. We did not polish this up. I didn't want to lose this emblem at all, but it still looks pretty good. Look at this black paint. It's just beautiful all the way through here. Alright, that's our video of the day. And as you can see, it's looking pretty good here. Alright. Good day.